Uno, Royal Revenge, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The youngest player wears the crown and holds the royal scepter first, making them the king. The king chooses another player to be the jester by flicking the scepter in the direction towards them, making this sound, indicating that play begins. That player puts on the jester hat and the king starts the play. Whenever the scepter sounds a fanfare, the player to the left of the king becomes the new king and wears the crown and takes the scepter and flicks it towards a new jester. The new king is allowed to pick any player to be the jester, including the player who just was the jester. If it has clearly been longer than a minute and you haven't heard the fanfare sound, have the king wave the scepter until you hear this sound. This will start the timer inside of the scepter as to when to play the fanfare sound. Whenever a wild card is played, the king gets to pick the color. Whenever a +1 King's Choice card is played, the king chooses any player and that player must draw one card. Whenever a +1 Jester card is played, then the jester must draw one card. The King's Choice and Jester +1 cards may be played on each other or on their matching color. When a new round begins, the role of king passes clockwise to a new player. When scoring, the King's Choice and Jester +1 cards are worth 20 points each.